Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tech and Talks. My name is Sumit. Today we are start a new topic, that is sorting. So let's let's discuss about sorting. There are different types of sorting used in C programming. Here in the DSA, we need to know five sorties. That is selection sort, bubble sort, insertion sort, merge sort, and quick sort. Okay, give me 1 minute. So Uh, in this video, we are going to discuss about the selection sort. It's a very easy topic. Okay. Now here it is the algorithm of the selection sort. At first, initial the minimum value to location 0. Traverse the array to find the minimum element in the array. Then we have to traverse of total array and find is there any number that is smaller than the first index. Okay. Then third, while traversing, if any element smaller than minimum index is found, then swap both the values. By traversing, if we find any number which is smaller than the first index value, okay, then we have to swap between them. Okay, increment minimum index to point the next element. It means then we have to take in that array case. At first we take the I equal to 0, then we have to increment that I equal to 1. After swap, then we increment. Okay, and 5 number is repeat until the array is sorted. So we have to repeat our process until the array is sorted. First is initialize the minimum index value is minimum. Okay, then we have to traverse all the array. If we find any number that is smaller than the first index value, then we have to swap between them. Okay, after swapping, then we have to increment our index value. Okay, now if we take an array, then we first use the 0 index. After swapping, then we use the first index. Okay, and repeat this process until the array is sorted. Okay, let's consider the following array as an example. Array 64, 25, 12, 22 and 11. So here I write that whole steps so that you make your note very easily. Okay, for the first position in the sorted array, it is the unsorted array. For the first position in the unsorted array, it is 0 position, and we know that array start from the 0 position. Okay, so at the first position is 64. Now we take the 64 as minimum. Then we have to traverse all the array, total array. Where is the lowest value of the array? So here we find, after traversing whole the array, we find that 11 is the lowest value of the array. Then we have to swap between them. So here after swap, the value is 64 goes to here and 11 comes to first position. Okay, see here. Okay, the next, now it is our array. It is our array. So next step is take the second element. Second index element is 25. Now we take the 25 as minimum and find the lowest value of the array. And we know that we find that after traverse, we understand that 12 is the minimum value of the array. Okay, so we have to traverse between. We have to swap between them. Then now we swap, after swapping between 25 and 12. Now we get this array 11, 12, 25, 22 and 64. Okay, now again same process. Now now again same process. Now we have to take the third element of the array. Third element is 25. Uh we take 25 is minimum. Okay, now we find the whole array. Now it is the whole array. It is the whole array. Find that 22 is the lowest from the whole array. Okay, after swapping 25 and 22, then we have to find our array is 11, 12, 22, 25 and 64. Now take that. Now we take the fourth index of the array. The fourth index is 25. We take the 25 is minimum. Now we see here 25 is the lowest value in this whole array. In this whole array, this is the whole array. Only two elements are there. So 25 is the lowest value and 64 is the highest value than the 25. So it is sorted. It is complete. This is the process. This is the algorithms of the sorted array. Okay. Now we will discuss the code for selection sort in C language. Okay. Now we will discuss. Now we will discuss the code for selection sort in C language. Okay. Give me 1 minute. The code in C language. Okay. At first we have to declare our header file, that is hashtag include stdio.h. Now we have to create. Now we have to create the main function. Declare an array. Here I take the size, that is 5, or take the length, that is 5. So this is our array, that is 64, 12, 22, 25 and 11. This is unsorted array. So at first I create a loop, that is now for the algorithm we know that we have to take the first index of the array, that is minimum. So create a variable int min equal to I. Okay. Now the starting index of j is I plus 1 and it will remaining till n. Here by if function I create that if any element of the array is smaller than the first index of the array, then we have to make the minimum index is this element. Okay, so now minimum. Okay, now we have to swap. We have to apply the swap equation, that is int take a variable, that is t. So swap is done. I create the for loop for printing the whole array after sorting. The selection sort program is complete. So let's check it. Run. I think here is some problem, that is n minus 1. So we have to declare n. Okay, I have declared here n as global variable. Okay, so hashtag define n as 5. Now now let, now let's check the code. Okay, so here I take the array. I take the array 64, 25, 12, 22 and 11. It is unsorted array. Now look what it gives the output. Okay, it gives 11, 12, 22, 25 and 64 and it is the sorted array. Okay, this is the code of the C language. Okay, this is the code of the C language. Now we'll discuss selection sort code in C++ language. So take online compiler. Sorry. Start the code. At first declare the header file. Create the main function. Take an array. Here I also declare an global variable, that is n number. N is the length of the array, that is I take here 5. Okay, So it takes now the same process, create the for loop. Now I take that the first element is minimum. So int minimum min is equal to the first element, that is I. For every, I take the minimum index is I for every particular time when I value is increment after the first step. Create another loop. Same statement if, here I write the same statement as C programming, that is if array of I, sorry, if array of j is smaller than array of minimum index, whatever I declare here that minimum is I, then we have to swap between them. Okay, so if array of, then we have to update, then we have to update the minimum value, that is now j. Okay, here we update if minimum is biggest than the j value, array of j index value, then we have to update the minimum value at j index. Okay, now swap between them. So for swap between them, in the case of C++, we have a function that is swap. Okay, swap array of, now I write the statement for printing. Create another loop. Okay, so this is our unsorted array and this is our sorted array. Sorry, sorted array 11, 12, 22, 25 and 64. So this is the complete code of C++ for selection sort. Thank you guys for supporting our channel.